Hello, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to smoke the window from T-spawn on the Mirage map. To do it, find this trash can, stack yourself like so, aim for that roof in this exact spot, hold D and then jump throw after half of a second. I'm holding D and jump throw. As you can see, smokes lands perfectly, cities are in troubles, you can take mid, don't worry about the AWPer in the window. That's all for today, thanks for watching, leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!